everybody, I'm Kirsty Meakin from No Nails. This is the last part of the Faye favourites.
Can you call it a trilogy?
Quadrilogy, because this is the 4.
Okay, quadrilogy.
A quadrilogy, yeah, of Faye's faves. Let's get started. So I've obviously already prepped Faye's nail, and this is something a little bit new because I like to stretch my abilities and try things that are new.
Good use of the dictionary. Vocab. Good vocab, Kirst.
My vocab's terrible.
She sounds very condescending there.
Oh, shut up, Adam.
Sarcastic.
Yeah.
It's not a
Is that the
joke.
word?
It's not a joke, Adam.
What isn't a joke?
I'm not joking about with Kirsty.
Not me. No, we would never.
No.
That sounds condescending and sarcastic.
Sorry. Right, okay, let's
That's your fault, Adam. You started that.
Oh, here we go. We're starting arguing now.
I'm not arguing, it's her. She's talking to herself.
No, I'm talking to you. Don't be rude. What were you telling Kirsty earlier?
I am going to put on a Nail Prep Dehydrator and Ultra Bond Acid Primer. Always works best for you, doesn't it, that one? Right, what I'm going to do first of all is we're going to build out a little bit of a thin, clear layer. Make contact with that natural nail. We are going to pull down to a 4. We are doing the modern almond nail.
You're being really mean today.
Who is?
You are.
What? I'm literally saying nothing. I haven't done anything. I wasn't even looking at you.
Yeah, you're still being mean. You're being mean now.
Mean with his eyes.
What?
Yeah, it's just the things he's saying. He's just mean, Kirsty.
Oh. Let's get over it, won't you?
It's because she didn't know how to use the oven earlier on. That's what it is.
Can you imagine me melting my nail? She'd have epi.
Do you have to be careful of that?
Well, yeah, a lighter
I have melted them.
will, or a flame, naked flame will melt nails.
Fast, like quickly.
I've seen them set alight. Right, my darling, we are going to do...
Stand by me. Oh, stand.
Mommy. Oh, stand. Stand by me. Stand by me. Stop moving about!
Well, I can't tell you out laughing because you're calling on a pizza boy.
No, you need to stop moving now. You're doing me nothing.
Stop being so bossy. It's not all about you all the time. I'm going to stop with us.
Whoever told you it wasn't. Sadly mistaken.
Sticky.
Right, so I'm going to put the natural beige on, and we're sort of going to go just over halfway. We're going to go down the middle. And then we're going to tap, tap, tap on the top, keeping it as straight as you can with your brush. I see a little dip. Let's get rid of that dipper. Right, netting, clear. This was the first part that I did. So we're going to net there. Press. You always want to start at the section that you did first. So that was this end here. And we'll leave it like that. There you are. Ta-da! New form of nail art. What do you think? Nice. Let's tickle that out. How cool is that? Right, we're going to take our colours, which are Berrylicious.
No, you're
and
not.
Rock and roll. Oh, yeah, we are.
Rock and roll. Is it Wiley?
God give rock and roll to you. That one. No,
No.
definitely not Wiley. This is called Rock and Roll. We're going to put it at the back here and slide it down. A bit of Berrylicious now. Overlap, blend, drag down. Bit of Diamonds Are Forever. Look at that, just skipping over that.
Do you know what that looks like?
What?
One of them weather cones.
Oh yeah, yes, I see it.
Are you being sarcastic again?
No, I
Adam,
see it.
she's being sarcastic.
Well, he's mean anyway, so shout out you. Right, so now we're going to take clear. You're going to go directly over the top. You're going to build up some height. I'm going to try and force these sides straight like that, so they kind of got like a bit of a wall.
Adam's being mean.
I'm going to be mean. Do you know what I'm going to do?
Pizza?
Do you know what I'm going to do?
What?
I'm gonna,
What, Adam?
I'm going to get
Oh,
a
he's gonna-
shot of her. I'm going to put you on camera, and that camera's now going to stay there.
No, Adam.
Hiya, Faye.
No, Adam.
Say hello to everybody, Faye.
Yeah, go on,
Come on,
Faye.
Faye.
Say
Say you gorgeous, man. Say hello to everybody.
No.
hi. She's having a new makeup day.
Oh, yeah, she's got no makeup on, okay.
I don't want to go on the camera.
Now that was being mean.
Yeah, you're being mean.
What we need to do now is we need this to set up, and then we're going to just like that. So I'm coming up the side. I have got a brand new file. I've taken the corners off, so I have made sure it's not going to cut. However, because it's brand new, it is nice and sharp, so I can go up the side. See how I'm supporting the nail with my hand and my fingers, because there's a bit of pressure going on there.
Adam, can I have a drink, please? I'm thirsty.
I'm just telling them what I'm doing.
Thanks, Pudding.
So we've got this gorgeous little section here, and then we're going to use, I was going to say disco in Venice. It's not, it's a carnival. Carnival in Venice, we're going to put right down the side so it's nice and blingy.
Blingy.
Blinging. Oh, it's beautiful. I'm going to encapsulate the glitter in clear, so we've got lots of nice structure. So once we pinched that, I'm going to take the foam off. So side walls, normal filing routine. I am going to go over with an e-file just to debulk a little bit. You can see how much we're going to file because you can see the thickness there. So let's get the e-file on the go. Now let's go to our 240 grit file around the cuticle area. Bit of buffage.
Buffage.
Bit of buffage. Not just buff, it's a buffage. Get it nice and smooth. Give it a wipe over. I'm going to use acetone. I just want to melt the top layer a little bit just so I can really see. Oh yes.
Really nice.
It's like a 2-in-1 now. Let's seal with the gel top coat, just like an alternative to doing this sort of centre cut look. We used the nail file to create the sharp edges rather than cutting through the actual product, and we added a bit of netting as well. Cool, put that on.
Oh, you're dead rough. God's sake.
Oh, a bit of cuticle oil.
It's what, go paint me. Go red me. Cute saw.
They've had a lot of rubbish.
Yeah, well, be
See,
it.
this one isn't red anymore because it's had no rubbish. It's calmed down. I really love this effect, this.
Yeah, with the,
Yeah.
it's like fish scales.
Oh,
I was thinking that actually.
yeah, it is.
I just didn't want to say anything just in case you were
Pound of
offended.
fish, pound of fish. Oh, we love it. There you are, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video of Faye's favourites. Are they your favourites? Please comment below and tell us if these aren't your favourites, what are your favourites. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.
I mean, you can give us 5 if you want.
No, I thought we'd got 5.
Give me 5!
Got a bit of natural blaze you could probably...
Natural beige. Blaze? Where's shoving this word from? Blaze?
You should maybe...
Natural what? Blaze. Natural blaze. Darling, darling, natural blaze.
What's it done? What's it done?